Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Chase application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Chase application on your Android device, firstly, go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Chase and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now all you need to do is click on Update option just below your Chase application. Here as you can see there is no update available in my case, so I won't be able to update my Chase application. But if the updates are available, you can simply tap on Update button to update your Chase application. This is how you can update your Chase application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.